You are welcome, a warm welcome. It's indeed a different day in the school this morning.
Getting the kids back to school, we had a few blocks that have been totally the roofs taken off. As you see up there, the canteen, the roof went off. That has been completely restored. There's a few touches left to be done, which we hopefully will get done before the end of the school term. We have the restroom for the upper classrooms, that was totally taken off also. Class 3, which is up here, one of the big trees fell on the roof, so that was taken off. The canteen, the roof was taken off, and a lot of the trees and debris were all over the school. We have gone ahead with the ministry's approval and fixed everything with a grant that you have allocated for the school. We still have some dinner with all the hardware stores and some of the contractors, and I would like to thank you, Honourable Minister, in regards to all my help that you give us in regards to grant. I mean, right away, there was a few minor little things inside, so we had them sharing.
But is that what we should do, the construction companies? The books are sticking set. They
Yes. Painted.
Most of that side was this is still the old one. They've only replaced the iron.
Huh?
The iron, the roofing iron.
So what new things did they do?
In this inside, yes, sir. The roof is new, the roofing iron. The structure on that top was okay. It was this.
Oh, you're using this as a classroom?
Yes.
This is a classroom? Or
Yes,
Oh, it is a classroom?
Yeah.
This is the one that...
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. Sorry, teacher, to intrude into your lesson this morning.
This is for the lower primary. This is the ladies on this side and the gentlemen on the other side. But the roof got taken off also. They still completing it.
No, there's one to demolish here. The white.
That was like their car park.
Yeah, laundry room.
The laundry room. We've just done some repairs to it, and we're still using it just because the number have grown, and we couldn't get our lease done in regards to building new ones.
It looks solid, eh?
Yes, yeah.
The extension looks solid.
It's just the OHS. It's only one door going this way. It's only one door. All the kids will actually meet up in the middle here.
Okay. Morning, everyone. Okay. So you're going to have exam on this? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Test. Okay. So this is
This is our library and our computer lab. We have spoiled all our computers.
And what we've done is we've been partners with hardware stores. They've given us the materials so we can get the school ready for the kids that second week. So they've given us all the materials, and even the construction company. That's what we owe money to. We've paid some, and the leftover is in here to break down.
okay.
This is actually what the school looked like back then.
We have the invoices inside.
All the invoices in the book.
And they're all fixed, eh?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is 11,000 for a guy, at Lambasa.
Auto Hardware Supplies.
Hussein Hardware.
And Hussein, another
11,828.38. And the guys in the front, that's the construction company.
So how much do you in total?
28,000.
No.
This, Mercedes.
Yes.
11 here?
11 here and another 11 on the back. Actually, this one is 16. The guy just delivered another 5,000 to complete the teacher's quarters.